In this video, we go over the SQL where between clause. The SQL between operator allows you to select values within a given range. These values can be text, number, or dates. The syntax to use the between clause is select column name from table name where column between value 1 and value 2. So we're going to use this query to go over a few examples using the where between clause. So we're choosing name, list price, and sales start date from the product table. First, let's choose filter on name. So we're going to choose where name between, and we're just going to choose the first letter C, and let's choose H. And execute. And now we should just only have letters between names that start between C and H. Next, let's use a number. So we'll use list price. This is for text. And next we will do number. So now we're going to change it to list price. And we're going to have between 10 and 100. And we'll execute. And we should only have prices here in the list price between 10 and 100. Next, let's use a date example. And for date, we're going to use sales start date. And let's choose everything for the year 2012. So we're going to write between. And the last date of the year. Execute. And we should only have rows for the year 2012. So this is the basic syntax for using where between clause with the text, number, and date.